Are you new to 3D printing? This video will help you make your first steps and understand how custom 3D printing works. Please remember that not everything can or should be 3D printed, so keep an open mind. There are two main steps to 3D printing. Step 1. Get a 3D model. A 3D model is a digital three-dimensional representation of what you'd like to print. You can get a 3D model online from websites like My Mini Factory and Thingiverse. You can try and design it yourself using computer-aided design software, or CAD, like SketchUp or FreeCAD. Another option is to hire a professional to design it for you. At 3D PrintWorks, we offer CAD services. We can copy an actual object or draw it from your sketches or photos if enough detail is provided. Step 2. Get a quote for a custom 3D printing service. Once you've got your file, send it to us in STL or STEP format. Let us know if you'd like it in a particular material. Otherwise, we'll use PLA or ABS. Or send us an image, an approximate size, and we'll send you a quote for the CAD work and the printing. Click the link in the description to upload your files, and we'll send you a quote.